Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore Huffman Coding, a fundamental algorithm used in computer science for data compression. We will understand how it works to create optimal prefix codes. First, let us define what it is. Huffman coding is a popular method used for lossless data compression. This means it reduces the size of a file without losing any of the original information. It works by assigning shorter binary codes to characters that appear frequently and longer codes to characters that are rare. To understand the benefit, compare it to standard fixed-length coding like ASCII. In fixed-length systems, every character uses the same amount of space, often 8 bits, regardless of how common it is. Huffman coding uses variable lengths. Common letters like a get very short codes, while rare letters use more bits. This simple change drastically reduces the total file size. Let's walk through the algorithm with the word banana. The first step is frequency analysis. We simply count how many times each character appears. In our example, A appears 3 times, N appears twice, and B appears once. Next, we build a binary tree. We start by sorting our characters by frequency and picking the two with the lowest counts. Here, B and N are the smallest. We combine them into a new parent node with a value equal to their sum. 1 plus 2 equals 3. We repeat this process until only one node remains, which becomes the root of our tree. We combined B and N to get a node of value 3. Now we combine that with our remaining character A, which also has a value of 3. The final root has a value of 6, representing the total number of characters. Once the tree is built, we assign binary bits to the edges. A common convention is to assign a 0 for every left branch and a 1 for every right branch. By tracing the path from the root to each character, we generate their unique binary codes. This generates what we call prefix codes. Notice that the code for A is 0 and no other code starts with 0. This is crucial. It ensures there is no ambiguity. When the computer reads a 0, it knows immediately that it is an A without needing to wait for more bits. Now we can encode our original word. We replace every letter with its new Huffman code. B becomes 1 0, A becomes 0, and N becomes 1 1. The entire word banana is now compressed into just 10 bits, whereas in standard ASCII, it would have taken 48 bits. Decoding is just as easy. We start at the root of the tree and read the incoming bits. If we see a 0, we go left. If we see a 1, we go right. Once we reach a leaf node, we have found a character, output it, and return to the root for the next bit. To summarize, Huffman coding is an efficient, greedy algorithm that builds optimal prefix codes. By giving frequent characters shorter codes, it saves significant space, making it a cornerstone of modern file compression formats like zip and JPEG.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.